What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel, Austin Becker if you're new here. And in today's video, we're going to talk about doing product research for your Amazon FBA listings. I get asked a lot, how do you find your products? Do you use software or what have you? So we're going to dive into the computer. I'm going to show you some of the best ways that I know how to do product research in 2020, moving forward into 2021. And as always, we'll keep you updated on new trends. So let's get into the computer and find you some products to sell. All right, everybody, we are inside the computer right now, and as you can see, I have Amazon opened up. So this is by far my favorite way to do product research, just because it's a little bit outside of the box. I know a lot of people tell you to use the software, whether it be Jungle Scout or Helium 10, and they tell you to do the black box method where you search certain criteria, which definitely does work, but I like to do something different that other people, like less people are doing, or it's not as, I guess you would say, competitive. So let's go right here. This is one of my favorite methods, is the search bar. In the search bar, I like to type a word. I start with letters. You can start with, that's like right here, you get water bottle, you get ideas for words. It doesn't, you just type a letter and get anything, but we're going to start typing, work, we'll just type wood. So like you type the word wood, and you get different things like wooden hangers, wood candles, wooden beads. It gives you different ideas. So I would check these categories, I would go through products, and then if I don't see anything that I like here, I would put a space. And it will give you different ideas. I see some things change like putty and stain. I don't think you're going to sell that, or floor cleaner. But now you can start typing another word. Wood Q-tips. I've never even heard of those. Let's actually click it. That's a thing. People buy wood Q-tips. I don't know if this is a good idea, but this is how you find products that other people don't think about. So I would come into here, and then I do have Jungle Scout, and I have the extension. I would click it, and then I would look at the products. I don't look at sponsored. And then like number one, the very first product is the Amazon's Choice Wooden Swab Q-tips. They're doing 20,000 in revenue. You actually 16,000, 19,000, 15,000. And then let's look at reviews. All the reviews are less than 1,000. So this is how I like to find totally off the wall products that may sell. Like this person's only doing 1,000. So that's may not be a good product to sell, but you see, okay, all the revenue dropped. So it was up like none of these products are any good. So I wouldn't sell these, but this is how you do product research. So then I would go back and I would continue to do more research, same way, just like that. And then you could try different words or what have you, and just keep browsing wooden beads. So that's the very first method that I recommend doing. It could take a lot of time, but it only takes one product to be successful on Amazon. So another trend I like to look at bestsellers. Sometimes they're really just way too competitive though, or you can't really get in, you can't find a good product. I do like new releases. So you come up to the tab right here, you see new releases. You see you can't sell a bunch of this, but I would pick a category. Let's just say home and kitchen, because we know it's a good category. And you'll see listings that have just received their new seller's badge, or a new release badge, which means it's a hot selling product and it's a new release. So they are given they're awarded this badge on their product. Browse through here, you can see Sumitu, that's FBA seller. I always recommend branding a little bit better than that, but those pillows, you could, hotel pillows, whatever. I want to find something that's a little more off the wall. Mosquito traps. Just scroll through here, find some oil sprayer for cooking. Oil sprayer. So you take the keywords, the main words, and then scroll back up, and you're going to type oil sprayer. I'm just going to type oil sprayer, nothing else. And then look at the overall results, look at your products, see your competition. You're going to eventually have to get a software tool like Jungle Scout. I'll leave it a link in the description. You can save 30%. If you use that link. Disclaimer, I am an affiliate, so I'll get paid a commission, but you also get a discount. So I highly recommend it. If you don't want to use Jungle Scout or use my link, you could just go search for them. There's also another product called Helium 10, which is another good product as well. So as you can see, we're going to look here. This tells you the revenue, monthly sales or daily sales, monthly sales, what they're selling it for, Misto brushed aluminum oil sprayer, what it looks like. And then you can see that these products are getting a good return. They're all doing very well. A big thing about me when doing product research is I look at the amount of reviews. And if there's 3 people on this first page with greater than 1,000 reviews, I personally don't sell it. I'm not saying you can't, but reviews weigh a lot in the decision if someone's going to purchase a product. When it comes to looking at the reviews, though, you also have to make sure the products are exactly the same. You can't compare 11,000 reviews to something else if it's a different product. But like this, you can't compare that. How many reviews? That 6,000 reviews to this 200 reviews. They're 2 totally different products. I know this is blood spray oil, but you get what I'm saying. So that's how you do product research, and just keep going through. Look at, obviously we're on this page, but look at all the new releases. Anytime you come across an idea, write it down, write it down, write it down, and then make a list on a sheet of paper with all of the different ideas that you found. Like put Amazon new releases and then create a list. And in that list, you'll just keep, that way you don't keep going back and forth. And then after you spend an hour, say you spend an hour compiling products or 2 hours compiling products, then you'll block out time, another hour or 2, to actually do some deep product research on each individual product. And that's where you go in here, you type it in, you use your software tool to look at revenue, keywords, anything of that nature. You look at the cost of the product, you see if you're actually going to make a good profit margin, you look at the competition. So you block your time out in accordance, but that's a different video. So number 3, I go over to wish.com. A lot of people hate Wish, but you get the point. Like, people, those are products that could be trending. I like to click over here on the left tab where it says popular, trick or treat. I just click any of them, but popular ones, trending products, and just scroll through here and look for a product that you can't just go buy, or that people don't think of, or it's totally random, and see what's like. You just get an idea. When you get an idea, you take the idea back over to Amazon and you type it in the search bar. And remember, all of your products, you have to go back to Amazon, search the products, and do a deep research on the product yourself. But let's just take this for example. His Queen, Her King romantic couples necklace. And let's just make sure this isn't all. His Queen necklace, His Queen, Her King necklace. And then, so you see the products they're selling here. They do have them on here. I'm going to have to pull up my Jungle Scout and see if there's revenue. And it doesn't look promising. $1,000, $1,000, $2,000. Me personally, I want everything to have greater than $15,000 when I'm selling a product, because that leaves enough room for profit margin. Even 10,000 is fine, but like, I don't want to do all the work for $2,000 when your profit margins are roughly 40%. That product's only making $500 a month, and the amount of money you have to upfront for your product cost, and then to continue to have inventory, you have to keep reinvesting your money. So it's not as viable. If it's making 15,000, even 6,000, 10,000, that's what I personally like. Because it shows us potential to get to 15,000. And you see, that's not even the same thing. Those are rings. They have nothing to do with the exact thing we were looking at, which was this at $0. But you get the point. Go to Wish, keep doing it. You're not going to find a product every time you look at a product. Not every product's a winner. Like 99% of them suck, and 1% will actually convert. And if you do this though, you will find a product that is a good product. So let's move on to our 4th method, which is very similar, but it's just a different platform. We're on Etsy.com. So this is where a lot of unique products, like stuff like this, is very unique products come to Etsy. So that's what your goal is when you're selling on Amazon, is to sell a product that's unique, differentiates itself from everybody else, because that's the biggest thing. People are like, everybody's selling on Amazon. Well, if you're selling a product that not everybody else is selling, then you could have a good product. You could have a 7-figure business, a 6-figure business. You could leave your 9-to-5 job. So what I like to do is just click one of these editors picks. It'll bring you to unique finds. This is all going to be related to Halloween, but what I really wanted to get to was scroll down. And now you can see this one, design ideas and inspiration. There's different ones, women's fashion, do it yourself, ideas for staying in. I like design ideas and inspiration because it's like literally design ideas, custom created ideas that people have. And then you can go look for these products on Amazon, see if there's anything similar to what you could find here that people could get for 1 to 2 days shipping. The credit card's already input, maybe sell it, get it cheaper, get faster, because people are going to compare platforms. If they come across something on here, they're immediately going to go to Amazon and just look and see if they could get it cheaper, or if they could get it with 1 to 2 days shipping. And even if it costs $5 more, but if they get it in 1 to 2 days, they're going to buy it on Amazon. So, Michigan pint glass, set of 2. They're selling for $30. So, let's just type in Michigan pint glass. Pint glass, matching coaster set and everything right there. That is exactly, it's a horrible product listing. No, you should never list a product that looks this bad. But let's just click it. Yeah, they're not making any money. It's horrendous. But there, it's that one right there. That's a set of 1. Let's just click it on this page, our Jungle Scout. Let it load. And this is a horrible idea. Prime example of a horrible idea. So, well, you guys get it. For the most part, that's what I like to do. Go back to your Amazon, do a deep dive product research on any products you find, create your list, block your time out, and that is one of the methods that I like. That's like the main method I like for main 4 methods I like for product research. I hope this helps. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel for more content like this. We're going to start uploading videos hopefully every day, if not every other day. So we'll see you in the next video. Make sure you leave a comment, like this video, leave a comment of any of the videos you need to see or any questions you have. We'll be more than happy to help. We'll see you in the next one.